This airdrop that we are about to talk about in this video, I want everybody to take it very serious. Like very serious. Now, why do I say so? The reason why I say so is because this airdrop, the project has already been listed. And not only that this project has already been listed, I noticed that it seems they didn't take much time to conduct their pre-sale and also their airdrop. And that is why on their page, they later asked, on their Telegram channel rather, they later had a poll and then they asked the question, should we extend our pre-sale and also our airdrop? And as usual, as they used to do it, majority takes the vote. So people voted for an extension of the pre-sale and also the airdrop. So at last, they brought back their pre-sale and also their airdrop. And this pre-sale and airdrop is going to end on the 20th of this month. That is 5 days from now. Just 5 days from now. So it is going to be listed very soon. That is why I want you to take it very serious and make sure you are going to participate in this airdrop. Literally, I actually bought some pre-sale coin before it was listed, and I also made quite a good amount of profit from there. So even as they are hosting this pre-sale now, I personally, for me, I won't advise for you to go for the pre-sale. But if you still want to go for it, you can still go for it. But the main reason why I'm making this video is on the aspect of the airdrop. Make sure you are going to take this airdrop very seriously. Make sure that you are going to participate. To participate, you don't need anything much. Like, it's literally free money now. Just free money which you can be able to accumulate before it is going to end, before that 20th of this June. So what do you have to do? All you just have to do is to check the description section of this video. And before checking that, this one is very important. I don't know why most of you are going to watch my videos, you are still not going to give it a like. Please make sure you give this video a like. It's very important, so that YouTube can actually promote this content, so that it can be shown to even people that also need it, just as you needed the video. Okay, so on the day of listing, this project was worth $3. It was worth $3, but presently it is trading above $5 right now. So that is why I'm telling you that it is very it's very legit. Yes, I don't bring up content that I don't know about. Before I bring up content here, man, I make my own research. I do my research very well, and then I bring up content. Probably it was before that I used to bring content anyhow, but no, I'll have to make my own research. Even Binance themselves, they posted about this airdrop, io.net. You can confirm it yourself. Just head to Binance handle on Twitter X. Then go back, scroll back. You are going to see when they posted about this presale and airdrop concerning ionet. And then if you check from CoinGecko now, you are going to see how much they are trading now. It's not like I'm whining you. This is coingecko.com. So you can see right here that they are trading at $5.35 right now. And ever since the day they were listed or they were launched, it hasn't been even up to a week. You can see it right here. As of 1 hour ago, the coin appreciated 0.5%, and as of 24 hours ago, that was yesterday, it appreciated 6.8%. Okay, so it is a very legit project. Now, this is how you are going to claim the airdrop. If you want to claim the airdrop, I told you the link is already on the description section of this video. If you want to get a clue and a guide on how you can claim this airdrop, you can just head over to my community section. I've already posted it. You are going to see this thing. You are going to see the guideline. Except from that, you can also join my Telegram via the link on the description section. You are still going to see it. And over there, we do drop updates and tips on how to make money online. So I believe you won't like to miss out on this. Okay. So I've already posted it. This is it right here. The first thing you have to do now is to open your Binance app. I guess you can also do it on Bybit, but since they say it's Binance, just open your Binance app. Click on deposit. I'll be showing you everything. I'll be showing you everything step by step. And then the next thing is to click on search. Then you type in or put in IO. After putting in IO, the fifth procedure you have to do is to click on the first option, which is IO or io.net. And after that, you click on which network, which is Solana. And then you copy your Solana wallet address, come back to your WhatsApp or to this Telegram rather. And then you copy this link. This is my link right over here. I'll be leaving this procedure yourself on the description section of this video so that you can easily navigate and get it. Okay. And then you click on airdrop and then you paste your Solana wallet and then you claim airdrop. It is going to be ending on the 20th of this month. Just as simple as that. So let me just head over to my Bybit right here. So once I head over to my Bybit right here, the first thing is to click on deposits. This is the deposit button right over here. Look at the deposit button. So I'll be clicking on deposits. And once I click on deposits, the next thing is to click on deposit crypto. I click on deposit crypto. All of you know that Bybit is very well similar to Binance. So all these things I'm showing you, if you still apply it on Binance, you are still going to get almost the same result. My Binance is down right now. It's having some issues. So I cannot head over to Binance to show you this. That's why I'm using Bybit. Okay. So the next thing it says here, you should search for IO. See the search bar here. I will search for IO. Okay. So once I search for IO right here, you can see the result here, io.net right over here. It's not this one. It's this one here. And I click on it. Then if you are using Binance, you are going to see it. Solana, that's what is going to be written. But right here, this one is written IO hyphen sol. That sol is Solana. So you click on it. After clicking on it, voila, your address now will be out. This is your address here. So all you just have to do is to copy this address. Once you copy this address, the next thing is to go back to that place. Go back to this place. Then you click this link that is here. This is my link that is here. You click on it. After clicking on it, it will then take you to this place. It will then take you to the io.net website. The website is going to look exactly like this. Then you click on this airdrop. You click on this airdrop here. If you don't want to click on the airdrop, you just scroll down. But once you click on airdrop, it will take you directly to this place. So once it takes you directly to this place, you just click on this place. So once you click on this place, you then put in that address that you copied. After putting it in, you click claim airdrop. And that is as simple as that. Immediately you click on it, they will then give you your own address. And after giving you your own address, they will also give you your referral link, which you can use to refer people. It's very simple as that. Very, very simple. And after claiming this airdrop, they say that this airdrop is worth up to $50. So you just have to take it very, very serious. After claiming it, there is also a tax you have to do. And I believe it's not so hard as that. The next thing you have to do is to refer people as much as possible. As much as possible, so that your money will be accumulated even the more before that 20th. This is the countdown. You can see it here. This is the countdown right over here. It's remaining 3 days. You can see it. So you just have to refer more people. 3 days and 20 hours. Okay? So that is almost 4 days. Make sure you are going to take this airdrop very, very serious. Refer more and more people so that you are going to claim more dollars or more free money. This is literally just free money. I have made my own research about this, so I did this is not like a foolish information. Just take it very, very serious. Okay, so I'll have to close the curtain right here. If you enjoyed this video, you can join my Telegram handle via the link on the description section of this video. So that is all I can tell you. I will still have to see you, or see all of us happy on that 20th, when we are going to cash out big from this project. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.